All right, merchants, welcome. If you've ever looked at the SurpPass app and thought, how do I actually use this thing to grow my business? Well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're opening up the playbook.
Yeah, you heard that right. We're not just going to walk through some features. We're going to treat this like a strategy session to hire and train your new digital employee. You know, the one that works 24/7 to bring in customers and, best of all, never calls in sick. So, first things first, every single sale begins with a great first impression. Before we even dream about cool campaigns or loyalty programs, we have to build that perfect digital welcome mat for your customers. Think of this as your shop window. And look, in the digital world, you've got maybe 3 seconds to grab someone's attention. That's why having a complete, professional-looking profile isn't just a nice to have. It's absolutely the most important thing you can do to get discovered in the first place. And getting it done is super simple. It really just breaks down into 4 key steps. You just head over to your profile settings and start filling things out. Your store details, your branding and photos, your contact info, and of course, your location. Every single piece you add is another little signal telling the app, hey, show me to more people. And the payoff for doing this? It's huge, and it's direct. This isn't just about looking good, It's about being seen. As that completeness percentage goes up, your exposure in the app goes right up with it. 100% complete profile, that puts you in the top tier for visibility. It's a no-brainer.
Now, let's talk about your board. Think of it like a digital announcement board in your shop. Here's a great pro tip. Make your very first image your payment QR code. It makes things so easy for customers. Also, keep your photos under 500 kilobytes. That way they stay sharp and don't get blurry. Use this space to shout about what's new and exciting.
Okay, so your storefront looks amazing, and you've drawn a customer in. What's next? You have to make it incredibly easy for them to buy something. And that is the job of your online menu. It's not just a list, it's a sales tool.
Building out your menu is really straightforward. You just add your items, then you organize them into groups. Now, the sweet spot is somewhere between 3 and 8 clear categories. Think drinks, desserts, main courses. That clarity helps customers find what they want fast. Oh, and here's a key detail to remember. Any price change you make goes live instantly.
So the big idea here is that a clean, logical menu does so much more than just list what you sell. It actually cuts down on confusion, it prevents that I don't know what to choose feeling, and it basically acts as a silent salesperson, guiding your customer right to that Buy Now button.
All right, your shop is set up. Your menu is beautiful. Now, it's time to open the floodgates. Campaigns are your tools for going out there and actively attracting, engaging, and turning those shoppers into paying customers.
And you've got 4 really powerful tools to work with here. You've got the surprise box for awesome one-time deals. Card is perfect for encouraging repeat business. Group buy is your go-to for driving big volume sales. And event is for any in-person stuff you're doing. The whole key is just matching the right tool to whatever your goal is.
The group buy is honestly a genius, risk-free way to sell in bulk. If you hit your target number of buyers, boom, the deal is a success for everyone. If you don't, the order just fails, and nobody gets charged a thing. It creates this amazing sense of community and urgency, all without any downside for you.
Getting a new customer is great. We all love that. But getting that same customer to come back again and again and again, that is how you build a real, sustainable business. This whole section is about turning those one-time buyers into your biggest fans.
The point system is built to be lightning fast right at your checkout counter. It's so simple. The customer shows their code, you tap the little QR icon on your home screen, you scan it, and you type in the points. That's it. Done. It literally takes a few seconds.
So what's the best rule for giving out points? Keep it simple. Stupid simple. The go-to recommendation is 1-to-1. $1 spent equals 1 point earned. Why? Because clarity is everything. You want it to be instantly understandable.
And this, right here, this is the core principle of any loyalty program that actually works. The second a customer gets confused about how they earn or how they spend their points, you've lost them. Simplicity and transparency build the trust that turns a casual buyer into a loyal fan for life.
Now let's put all these pieces together into this really powerful system we call the loyalty loop. Okay, so customers earn points with their purchases. They redeem those points for cool rewards using a surprise box. And then they get this extra little jolt of excitement from lucky draws. It's a cycle that just keeps reinforcing itself, and it keeps them coming back for more.
When you're setting up your lucky draw, here are a few key tips. First, always, and I mean always, set a small consolation prize. Even just a few points is enough. That way no one ever walks away feeling like they got nothing. Also, make sure your prize chances add up to exactly 100%. And hey, get creative with those top prizes.
And finally, let's look at the tools that help you run the whole show day to day. This is your command center, where you can track your performance and manage all your orders. Your home screen is designed to make things fast. You can instantly start a new campaign, you can get a quick overview of your analytics, and you can see all your active promotions in one place. Everything you need to run your business is right there at your fingertips.
The order screen is your complete history of every single transaction. You can filter by status to see what's going on, and for group buys, you can even see the host's info to coordinate things. But most importantly, this data is gold. Seriously, use it to learn which of your campaigns are really, truly working.
And there you have it. We've gone through the entire journey, from setting up that awesome digital storefront, to launching campaigns that actually convert, to building a loyalty system that creates true fans. You now have the complete playbook for growth.
And it's so important to understand that these pieces all work together, building momentum. A great profile attracts customers, powerful campaigns convert them, and a smart loyalty program retains them. Each stage feeds the next one, creating this amazing growth flywheel that just gets stronger and stronger over time. So now, the power is in your hands. Take a look back at all the tools we've covered, from surprise boxes to group buys, and decide on your first move. What's the first campaign you're going to launch to start spinning your flywheel? Go on, go make it happen.